इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's किचन। आई एम अस्मा। Today I am going to share really yummy recipe of gola kebab. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there's recipe card in the end of the video. So here are the ingredients you will need. Beef mince with fats 1 kilogram. Onion 4 medium sized and finely chopped. Eggs 2, garlic 1 tablespoon crushed, ginger 1 tablespoon crushed, garam masala 2 tablespoon, chili powder 4 tablespoon, meat tenderizer half teaspoon, yogurt 3 tablespoon whipped, roasted and grinded white cumin seeds 2 teaspoon, salt 1 tablespoon. Now add chili powder, garam masala, roasted and grinded white cumin seeds, salt, meat tenderizer, ginger, garlic, yogurt, onion, and an egg. Into beef mince and mix it really well. Now break another egg, beat it and add it into mince and again mix it really well. Then give it rest for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, mix it again. And give it shape of gola kebab. Like this. And keep it aside. Make all the kebabs like this. They are ready for shallow frying. Heat up oil in a frying pan. Then add kebabs into it. After a while, I am changing its side. An important point I want to share that kebab will shrink in frying, so make them bigger in size like I did. And fry kebab until they become brown. Then take them out. Fry all the kebabs in this way. Now all kebabs are fried. So I am dishing them out in serving platter with coriander chutney. You can get recipe of coriander chutney in description. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button, share this video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.